So this song is a vibe. It's called So Beautiful. And this song is by Johnny Venus. And I think it's featuring Black. And the name of it is So Beautiful. So it has a guitar vibe that I think you guys would like. All right, so check it out. So here are all the notes and everything. And hopefully this will be helpful to you. All right, so here you go. I appreciate you all checking this out. So I'm about to get into the actual illustrations and you can see where the notes are located. All right. Let me know if you have any questions about this, because to be quite honest, these are just the main major seventh and minor seventh chords. And it's really all about technique and how you actually play the chords. Okay. How you choose to play the chords. It's no one way, but we all know that we like that soulful, saucy sound. Okay. So here are the notes, and let me zoom in a little bit real quick. Make sure that we're close up on it. Come on, man. Let's go. I'm not doing as much notation, so you should be able to see it a little bit closer. Not as much notation as previously. So go ahead and do your snapshots, take what you need. And so the first chord is, what is this? E flat major seventh. Okay. The next chord is a D minor seventh. Third chord is a G minor seventh. This is a B flat? Yeah, a B flat major. And this is a C minor seventh. All right. So for reference, it sounds like this. All right. So let me just play the notation. We're just looping it. All right. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Song is a vibe, yo. Let me see. Let me play along with it. So those are the notes. So you can pretty much, take that as you see fit. And, ain't really no extra talk about it. You know what I'm saying? But I do want to play this for you all in full stereo as well. This software don't always do that for me. So go ahead and check that out. Hope that these illustrations actually work for you. All right. So now that I've shown you how to play it, I've shown you the notes, the actual notes, and where the notes are actually located. So let me just demonstrate for you how it can sound. Okay. So we are, I think I already shared with you like the actual key and everything. So this is a B flat major. Okay. But maybe we could say that it's in G minor. That's like the relative minor of the key, okay? And here are the chords. That's it. Now I got a little delay on it, so you can probably hear that. But Maybe you can embellish it a little bit with some hammer-on, some R&B pull-offs, you know. You know, some things like that, some double stops. All right. So maybe I can go. All right, since we have the E flat major seventh and the D minor seventh, so a couple of notes from that is, so you can go using the whammy. Make sure you slide into it the right way and everything. And so you're literally going. So. So these are some slides, okay? These are just some ways that you can actually slide into the notes, all right? And you're taking a couple of notes from there. The reason why I didn't share it, you know, in terms of like where it is exactly is because your fingers are actually on it when you're playing the chords. While you're playing the chords, it's pretty much while you're playing the E flat major seventh. Your fingers are already on it. And when you play the D major seventh, you know your fingers are on it. Just when you play it, only play those notes. So these are some double stops that y'all were asking me about. Right there. Same thing for the one high up, the G. Right there. So, all right. Then when you play the B flat major, all of this is on the G and B string. And then this is actually on the 8th fret G and B string while you're playing the C minor 7th. Okay, it's right there. So it's in the chord. So a lot of times these double stops are in the chords that you're playing. It's just finding a very tasteful and sweet way to transition from between the chords, sliding into them. But I'm literally not adding anything. Okay. Now if you wanna, or you know, do the extra. All that stuff. All this is. And this is right there with the C minor 7th, but you add the 9 in there. Right there, you know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much it. So I really do appreciate you all checking it out. And I hope that this was helpful. If you want further instructions on it, you know, let me know. But this is definitely a hit. And I hope that this, well, you know what? This joint is going to blow even more. You know what I'm saying? I wish you like just more views, more listens, more streams. And yeah, man, this joint has been blowing up. It's been pretty much going viral. So I appreciate y'all checking this out as well. All right. Peace.